Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Kool Kombi and this is by Hotwheels from their premium series. So I bought it for MRP which is 549. Again, this is this is a peg warmer now, and you can buy this very easily now, because I originally when it came I thought this is going to be hard to find, because a couple of people from US, when this came to their city or states, wherever it is, so they some of the people actually struggled to get this one. So I was expecting the same here as well, but luckily this is still available a lot. So if you remember, guys, when Hot Wheels, came back to India, the main line actually had one Kool Kombi, I think, during 2022. I did unbox that in my channel, if you remember. So that was a hard find, because I think I bought only one of it because I was not able to get another one. So I was expecting this to be the case with this one as well. But okay, it's good. So I don't want to waste any more time. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. Let me just put this aside. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting. Okay, as usual, this looks really cute. That's the reason I actually buy this. I usually buy the tuned versions because it looks really cute. I personally love my stores instead of more than I personally love my stores muscle machine series more than Hot Wheels one, because you know I don't know how many of you guys actually saw muscle machine series. I do have a couple unboxed in my channel. You can just go to my store playlist and you can see it there. So I do have I do have some more, like I think around six, six or seven, which I'm yet to unbox. Okay, but let's talk about this casting first. So it does have some scratches on the windshield. Honestly, this is sealed, like kind of fixed. It is not even moving inside the blister, but still you are seeing scratches here. So the paint job is okay. It is not poppy red or something. It is just kind of, how I can say, like orange red. You can see the Spider-Man's color also, right? So this one is kind of orangish, kind of orange, and this just kind of matches with this one. So compared to that Spider-Man over there, this is not even that red actually. So it is in between. So kind of a mild tomato red, I can say. And you can see the patterns here. I seriously don't know what it says, but even with my naked eye I can't able to say what it is. So the top here, this is painted. It is painted black. Okay, this is full metal. So if you guys are new to premiums, premium is fully made of metal, except for the interior. Interior will be always plastic, but rest of the thing, like the body, the chassis, everything is going to be metal. And as usual, they painted the headlights. At least the logo placement looks good now. So the wheels are actually made of the tires are rubber. The rims are kind of different for this particular casting. I'm not going to say unique, because usually the Hot Wheels actually uses the same kind of rims for multiple cars. So yeah, I'm not going to say unique on this one. So but you can see the front one looks smaller and the rear the rear one looks bigger. So that's the whole gist of it, if you ask me. But rest of the thing looks really good, and it is a bit heavy. So let's weigh this casting. Honestly, there is nothing much to say about this casting, if you ask me. Okay, exactly 50 grams. Not bad. So let's see how this one performs on the track now. It is not really that well, but it does roll. Hmm. See, premium ones are not made for tracks, but still I mean, we do roll tests for all the brand, including even Pop Race or Mini GT, even whatever has rolling wheels. We do test that in our channel, right? So that's the whole point of doing that, just to see how. See, it's fun, right? You are having a model car with you, and if it doesn't roll, then what's the point? So because most of the some brands doesn't do that, like Tarmac, that doesn't roll. Maybe one or two castings are of theirs roll actually, but not like this. So you can just turn the wheel, but it doesn't roll actually. Okay, it does have some interior to it, but I really can't able to see from here because the windows are actually tinted. But it does have some interior. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.